Just got this PC case in the mail, and I'm really excited because this might be the new PC case meta. This case does look similar like the Height Y40, which is a very popular premium aesthetic case that a lot of people want. Now, the one downside of that case is that it's kind of expensive. This case is under $70. It features this unique case design, comes with 3 ARGB fans, and it comes with the ARGB fan hub in the back, a nice manual, which is where you can put extra SSDs and hard drives. You can easily manage your cables back here, and these cables are even in white. So all in all, this micro ATX case provides great aesthetics at an affordable price. I'll be featuring this case in a future PC build on my YouTube channel.